Welcome to this module on behavioral decision theory. In this section, we will explore how human behavior impacts decision-making processes. We'll dive into psychological factors that influence our decision and how understanding this can lead to better outcomes in leadership roles. Behavioral decision theory examines the influence of psychological factor on decision-making process. Unlike traditional model which assume that decision-making are entirely rational, this theory recognizes that human decisions are often influenced by bias, emotion, and other behavioral factors. Understanding this can help leaders make more informed and effective decisions. Traditional decision-making models often assume that individuals act rationally, making decisions based purely on logic and available information. However, behavioral decision-making models acknowledge that humans are not always rational. Emotional responses, cognitive bias, and social influences can all shape our decisions, sometimes leading us away from the most logical choice. Cognitive bias are systematic pattern of deviation from norm or rational in judgment. For example, anchoring occurs when individuals rely too heavily on the first piece of information they encounter. Confirmation bias is the tendency to search for, interpret, and remember information that confirms one's preconceptions. These biases can lead to flawed decision making if not recognized and managed. The emotional plays a crucial role in decision making. Positive emotion can lead to more creative and broad thinking, while negative emotions might result in more risk-averse or narrow decision making. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can manage their own emotions effectively, leading to more balanced decisions. Social influences, including norms, peer pressure, and group dynamics, can significantly impact decisions. For instance, groupthink occurs when the desire for harmony or conformity in a group results in irrational or dysfunctional decision-making outcomes. Recognizing and addressing these social pressures is key to making sound decisions. Behavioral economics combines insight from psychology and economics to understand how people actually make economic decisions. For example, loss aversion refers to tendency to prefer avoiding losses over acquiring equivalent gains. Leaders can use this insight to better predict how people will react to different options and design strategies that align with human behavior. To improve decision making, leaders should focus on mitigating biases, managing emotion, and reflecting on their own thoughts and processes. Techniques such as considering multiple perspectives, practical mindfulness, and using decision-making framework can help in making more balanced and rational decisions. In conclusion, understanding behavioral decision theory offers valuable insight into how human behavior influences decisions. By integrating this insight into your decision-making process, you can become more effective and empathic leader. I encourage you to apply this principle in your daily decision and observe the positive impact they can have. Before we wrap up, I'd like to open the floor for any question you may have. I also encourage you to reflect on your own decision-making experiences. How have biases, emotions, or social influences impact your decision in the past? Understanding this can help you grow as a decision maker.